Telegram has introduced a feature that allows users to convert gifts received on the platform into Telegram stars, which can be used to purchase various services or features within Telegram. So if you received a Telegram gift from a friend or from a contact saved in your phone, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can convert it to Telegram stars. So this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can convert Telegram gifts to Telegram stars. So let's get started. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's get started. So now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Telegram. As you can see right here, I'm on my Telegram. So the first step I have to take now is to look for the contact or the friend that sent me the Telegram gift. Of course, for you to be able to convert any Telegram gifts to stars, you must first of all locate the person that sent you that gift. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll through my contacts to find the person that sent me a gift. Someone sent me a birthday gift, a Telegram gift. So let me tap on it right away. You can see it right there. My Glow sent you a gift for 15 stars. So the gift this person sent me is worth 15 stars. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on where you can see view. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there, view. The arrow is pointing at it. So here's the full details of the Telegram gift I received. You can see it right there, received gift. You can now add this gift to your profile or convert it to 13 stars. You can see the details is from this person, My Glow. You can see the date it was sent to me. You can see the value is 15 stars. You can see the status is non-unique, and the comment is happy birthday. So guys, now if I want to sell this Telegram gift, if I want to actually convert this Telegram gift to Telegram stars, what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see sell for 13 stars. You can see it right there on the value section. So let me tap on it. So guys can see what's written there. It says convert gift to stars. Do you want to convert this gift to 13 stars? Conversion is available for the next 6 days. So there is a time frame or a time limit for you to be able to convert. It says this action cannot be undone. This will permanently destroy the gift. So guys, once you convert it, you can't convert it back to the gift. So once you convert to Telegram stars, that's what it is. So let me go ahead now to tap on convert. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see the Telegram gift has been converted to stars. You can see it right there. You can see now my Telegram balance is now 13. The 13 stars has been converted. If you look down there, you're going to see converted gift, 13 Telegram stars. You can see it right there. So guys, this is how you can be able to convert your Telegram gifts to Telegram stars, and I believe this was helpful to you. Do it to like and subscribe. Bye.